Hi, my name's Sue Giles and I'm from England. I've always had a problem with my teeth. I've had false teeth for about 20 years. No sets really fitted me that well because I haven't got a lot of bone. I tried many dentists in England and nobody could do anything for me like doing implants because of the lack of bone. My husband looked on the internet and he found Dr Nuri. We arranged to come over. I had a consultation on the first day and we agreed to go ahead and see if it would happen. The next day I came, I had the top ones done. I had 9 screws put in. That was not painful at all. I thought it would be. Then a metal plate was fitted, then the teeth were added, so the top was done. Then it was to do the bottom set. That was the hardest bit for him because I've hardly any bone at all at the bottom. But he amazed me because he managed to get in 8 screws for me. Then it was the procedure same as the top. I had the metal plate fitted, then I had the teeth added. I must say the staff here are absolutely lovely. All the girls are nice, the doctors are nice, I can't fault them at all. When we arrived at the airport, we were picked up by a car, taken to our hotel, and they picked us up again the next morning to bring us here. I am very happy with my teeth now. I keep thinking that they might fall out, but that is because my false ones kept falling out even when I was eating a meal. So I am really, really happy with the outcome.